In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. After that, get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then check out all of those settings, and when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Now you can select bottom one again, and this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Over here, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and tap on the best option for you, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I click and go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!